Now we're going to show you where we're staying in Cebu. We're staying at a place called Summit Galleria. It is built onto the Robinson's Mall, isn't it? It's literally, I'll show you where you walk through to get to the mall. How much did we pay for this for 3 nights?
156.
£156 for 3 nights.
And a whole room.
The hotel is nice, isn't it? Right, let's go in and have a look then. So for 3 nights, so what's that? About £77 each?
Yes.
Bloody hell. Right, let's go in. Here we go. Thanks. So this is the reception area. This is where we went last night.
Reception area.
A little coffee machine there. A meeting area. So like I said, it was built onto the Robinson's Mall. We've just had a couple of beers in here. So the mall is literally through there. That is the mall, what you see people walking. We've just had a couple of beers in there. Very nice. We are on, what floor are we on, Pete? 11th?
Yeah, 11. Yeah.
Right, we'll go to floor 3. There is a swimming pool, but it's an indoor swimming pool, isn't it?
Yes.
So we'll see if we can go in and have a look. I'm not sure if we can. But yeah, floor 11. Pete's got the key. Yeah, it's a nice hotel, isn't it? It's really, really nice. The room's nice. We will see. There's a gym as well, a ballroom.
Let's go.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah. Also, we just missed one of the festivals.
Yeah, there was a festival, wasn't there? Hey, look. We've not been in here, by the way. This is our first time in here. We only got here last night. Hey, yeah. No, there's nobody here.
Think about the pools. We've been some really amazing pool and not been in any one of them.
That's the view from it. Yeah, so that's the pool, yeah. It's alright really, isn't it? It's a shame it's not outside. You sure? So we're floor 11. This is us. 1104, Pete, yeah? Hi. I'll show you the room. We had room service last night actually, didn't we, Pete? It was nice. So there is room service available. You can do it online through a QR code. Right, here we go. The good thing is as well, you get 2 keys so you can leave one in, can't you? The old aircon. Right. Let's put some lights on for you. Oh. Right, so as you come in, it's the room. First of all, the bathroom. Really nice. We have been in this last night, so it's not immaculate. The toilet, 2 separate doors. Shower. Big area for the shower. Oh yeah, you get shower gels and shampoos and soap. Oh, there's a big shower up. There's a shower there as well, if you want to use that one. Some coat, there's only 4 coat hangers, so if you fetch loads of clothes, you may have to fetch your own. Safe, we've already used, we've got water in there, we've already drank. Tea and coffee. Like I say, this is our 2nd night. 2 single beds. But comfy, eh?
Oh, yes.
Oh, you've got the broken arm, was it alright? Yeah?
Yeah, it's alright. Better than the last one, yeah.
Not had the telly on, so we don't know, but yeah, £70 we paid for this. It's £75 each, just over.
Yeah, yeah.
It's crazy, isn't it? It's
It's
a sea view as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Sea view. If you can see over there, look. There's the ocean. There's the port of Cebu. But yeah, really happy with this hotel. Oh look, Mall of Cebu, Pete, over there.
Yeah, another mall, yeah. Mall of Cebu, yeah.
So yeah, that's the Summit Galleria in Cebu. Thumbs up from both of us, yeah?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, really good. Right, if you want to stay here, have any questions, leave it. But we both highly recommend this place. We had a really good night stay.
Yeah.
Food, beer, and not overpriced.